Model 2017 Peugeot Boxer 335 Pro L3H2 BLUEHDI body, white, panel van mileage, 92,509 engine, 1,997 cc DW10 FUD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered, needs injector number 2 and number 3 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,925. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.